If you like our video, click the button to subscribe to our channel and get easy access to new content. To see our full suite of ad-free video courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides, visit us at www.teachucomp.com. Expense tickets in Sage 50 Accounting let you record resources used for a customer, a job, or administrative purposes. You can also choose to bill customers or jobs for charge items included on billable expense tickets. To create an expense ticket in Sage 50 Accounting, select Tasks, Time/Expense, Expense Tickets from the menu bar to open the Expense Tickets window. First, select whether this is an expense to record for an employee or a vendor by selecting the desired option button within the Whose Expense is Being Recorded section. Then use the adjacent drop-down in the same section to select the employee or vendor for whom you are recording the expense. Next, in the Why is this ticket being recorded section, use the To Be Applied drop-down to select whether this ticket is being applied to a customer invoice, against a job, or as an administrative task. If you select either the To a Customer invoice or against a job choice from the drop-down, then use the adjacent drop-down that appears within the same section to select the customer or job to which this ticket is applied. Next, in the Item Details section, select the charge item for which you are recording the expense ticket. If the charge is to be used in future invoicing, you can enter a description to use within the invoice into the Invoice Description field. In the Ticket Details section, use the Ticket Date drop-down to select the expense ticket date. If the expense is reimbursable to an employee, check the Reimbursable to Employee checkbox. In the Billing Details section, you can use the Billing Status drop-down to select a billing status for the expense ticket if it is being recorded for a customer or job. You can then use the Quantity, Unit Price, and/or Billing Amount fields to record the information for billing the customer or job. To record the expense ticket, click the Save button in the toolbar at the top of the window. Remember to click the subscribe button to see more of our videos. See our full suite of courses, instruction manuals, and quick reference guides at www.teachucomp.com.